Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. And I'm very happy today because I have come to nature to take the cold and fresh air because the world is becoming more hot due to the globalizations and environment is becoming like bad using or misusing by all kinds of people directly indirectly, but nature is only one existing that is get pure things you will get from this nature. And this is the place beside my house. I've come here only for this because there is no electricity in our locality right now and very hot weather also, but this place absolutely beautiful and very warm, and there is no any warm but cold weather and very cool air I'm taking right now. Even you see the surroundings, the trees leaves are like moving here and there, something more like that, and everything you will get natures. And I'm here to take my life and involve myself into the natures and to understand and to feel the nature things, because for a long time I have not come here. I'm not being in natures, I'm not being observing the beautiful nature. Even the paddy fields, the paddy is coming for harvesting is very hard time, very very hand time is 2 weeks later. So everything due to my heart pressure studies and other things, for this reason I haven't come here. But today I have got a little bit free for this time. I have come here to make a video also something and to involve this nature. I have come a little bit ago, and first of all I have to keep myself for the video and to understanding issue more and to see something. And in this video of course you learn much things from our surroundings and to practice more how to describe the surroundings and extra things. By the way, I'm the one corner of the homestead. This is made by the owner of my uncles. This is one of the large homestead in this field also, and there is a water canal behind this. You're seeing like this my right side, this canals is goes under the among the paddy fields. Before my video, if you watch regularly or if you regular subscriber or followers, of course you saw that after my videos also. And there is something more like that behind. There's a newly made a bamboo bench. I also made a lot of video standing there and sitting there also, and he also directly and privately I made with the bamboo bench back. If you watch my previous video, of course you see something like that. And it's a summer day, and it's also the one of the most valuable and demandable products and agricultural product, that is paddy field. And paddy is ready for harvesting and something more like that. This is my surroundings and this is the all things we have doing right now. And this is my one of the short video also like that, but I make video shortly for my audience who want to learn something in a short time, and but everything how to describe like this from my audience I make this video. But this video of course must help you. If you really like this video, of course subscribe my channels, and regularly if you really want to help you and develop your fluency, of course watching video must important for you. Of course this video of my channels and Facebook page must help you to understand more things, and you should to learn and watch my video every day to fluency and to develop your listening also power, and practice whenever you stay, whatever, what place, what time you are in, it doesn't matter, but practice more and more if you really want to be develop your fluency. From this time I am going to back and something more like that. Nothing to say my surroundings, but I am going to my nature to involve and understanding the all beautiful things. I hope this video must help you to understand more things, and nothing to say more and something like that. Later I'll go somewhere to practice more something like that, and to attend another sessions to connect myself with the nature, with the work sometime after spending some more time say here. So goodbye for this time. I'll come back next video with new place. For the time, keep practicing, keep learning, and become fluent and better than me. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.